The topic for my today's presentation is half subtractor. So let's start with it. So first of all, what is a half subtractor? Half subtractor is a combinational logic circuit. It is used for subtracting two single bit numbers. It basically performs the binary subtraction for two single bit inputs and gives us two outputs, difference and borrow. Now let's understand the truth table for half subtractor. So as there are only two single bit inputs for the half subtractor, there are only four possible combinations, which are 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. So now let's understand the output for difference and borrow. First of all, when A is 0 and B is 0, performing a binary subtraction between A and we get a 0 as difference and 0 as borrow. Now, for when A is 1 and B is 0, we get 1 as a difference and 0 as a borrow. When A is 0 and B is 1, now for this A minus B, we get a difference of 1 and a borrow of 1. Now, for when A and B both are 1, we get a 0 difference and 0 borrow. Now, this is the block diagram for the half subtractor, where there are two inputs A and two outputs, difference of and borrow. Now, let's understand the K maps for difference and borrow. Now, as there are only two single bit inputs for the half subtractor, we need to make two variable K map for both the difference and the borrow. Now, for the difference, when A is 0 and B is 0, we get 0 difference and 0 borrow. When A is 0 and B is 1, we get a 1 difference and 1 borrow. When A is 1 and B is 0, we get 1 difference and 0 borrow. When A and B both are 1, we get difference and borrow of 0. Now, from this K map, let us derive the Boolean equations for difference and borrow of the half subtractor. So, as we got the diagonal path for the K map for difference, we derive the equation for the difference as x XOR y, and we got a single path for the borrow. We derive the equation of borrow as a bar and y. From these Boolean equations, we can make the circuit diagram for the half subtractor. So let's proceed. So for the circuit diagram, there are two single bit inputs x and y, which are connected to a XOR gate, which gives us the first output of B, which is the difference. Now, for the second output, we invert the input of the x using a NOT gate and take the y input, and using an AND gate, we get the second output, which is B out, which is the borrow output. Now, let's understand some real life applications of the half subtractor. So, first of all, half subtractor is used to reduce the loss of audio or radio signals. Secondly, it can be used in amplifiers to reduce the sound distortion. Third, half subtractor is used in ALU or processor. It can be used to increase and decrease operators and also calculates the addresses. least significant column numbers. For subtraction of multi-digit numbers, it can be used for the LSB. That are all the applications of the half subtractor. So that's all with the half subtractor. And my name is Sahil Shah. Enrollment ID 19125041. And my branch is BTech IT First. Thank you.